your host for this evening. I welcome you all to this wonderful evening, the most eagerly awaited event in our calendar, IRA Pre-Primary Annual Day. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our privilege to have amidst us our founder chairperson, Mrs. Amita Prashad, our Secretary, IRA Academy and Prayag's Chief Operating Officer, Mrs. Soumya Jain, Principal, Ms. Lata Ma'am, Elementary Principal, Ms. Jenny John, and all of you, of course. Let us now commence this evening's program by invoking the divine blessings of Lord Ganesha. May I please call upon Himagauri Mysore and Shloka to render the invocation song. Thank you, dear learners. I'm sure God is going to bless us so much today. It is said that knowledge removes ignorance just as light removes darkness. Therefore, we light the lamp to bow down to knowledge as the greatest of all forms of wealth. May I please request Amita ma'am, Soumya ma'am, Lata ma'am and Jenny ma'am to come and please light the lamp and begin this wonderful event. Request parents to kindly stand for Nadakite.
जय भारत जननीय तंजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वन कलनाडे जय हे रस ऋषिಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದನ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ
and a Montessorian who believes every child is unique and gifted with innate ability to be a cosmic child, blessed with a mind to think, heart to love, and hands to work, which echoes with fundamental system of Montessori education. She holds a master's degree in inclusive education from Northampton University, UK. She established Prayag Montessori, an early years educational program that run in 3 centers in South Bangalore 2.5 decades ago, and IRA Academy, an elementary Montessori curriculum with affiliation to CBSE board more than a decade ago. IRA Academy was born as a result of our continued vision to offer quality education to children and with an aim to promote excellence in academic learning and offer quality education to learners based on the elementary Montessori method and development needs of children from age 6 to 12 years.
Whenever we have an annual day, especially for the age of 3 to 5, it's very exciting for us because it's the purest form of wonder for us. And when we've been running Prayag for 23 years right now, and for us, this is our first IRA annual day. This is extremely special to us. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about 4 unique aspects of IRA. The first aspect, which is totally what we look at in IRA, is the full picture. When the children come in, we don't just see who they are today, but we see them as the young adults they turn out to be probably in 12 to 15 years. We get to have that journey with them. And every time we see a Prayag child, this is a 14th year right now, and we've seen a Prayag child passing out for grade 10 now, but we've got affiliation for 11th and 12th. We're looking forward for that. It's a wonder how they have shaped and done this journey with us. We look at this stage, that is 3 years to 6 years, as a foundation for the 12 to 15 years journey they will be with us. Education, as you all know, is fast changing, and we have to prepare our young ones to the world that they will face with the right kind of tools that will make sure that they survive in their world. We are a team here, both parents as well as the faculty, Team IRA. The second is the vision. Our philosophy in IRA is very simple. Learning should feel like growth, not pressure. We are not just preparing them for the next grade, we're preparing them for life. We want them to be thinkers, we want them to be adaptable, we want them to be responsible. To get there, we must protect this time of discovery. We aren't rushing them to the finish line, but we are making sure that they have really strong legs to always finish the race. The third most important is the partnership. We are a united front. For a child to thrive, we need to be a united front. They need to know that their home and their school are standing on the same side. Our job is to mentor them with excellence. Your job is to partner us with trust. When a child sees that the parents and the facilitators are working in harmony, they feel safe enough to take the risks that will lead to true learning. The last but most important for us is the nutrition. At IRA, every mealtime is a classroom. We believe in community eating. It is where friendships are made and where healthy habits, eating habits start. We provide nutritional meals to fuel the growing brains. We ask you to support them at home. Let us work together to build a healthy relationship with food, one that lasts a lifetime. We all know that there is a connection between gut and the brain. Now, parents of my pre-primary group, prepare for a beautiful, non-linear journey. Don't worry if today wasn't perfect. We aren't building a 24-hour project. We are building a 12 to 15-year human being. Let them tie their own shoelace. Let them make some mistakes. And most importantly, trust the process. Thank you for being part of IRA Academy. Now let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thank you again for making it to our annual day.
Thank you, Amita ma'am, for reiterating what truly IRA believes in and what we together as community are working together for. Dear parents, We all share the deep desire to see our children grow into well-adjusted, healthy and happy individuals. The most powerful tool we have for achieving this isn't a complex educational theory, but something much simpler, and that's consistency. Consistency in daily life creates a predictable environment, which for a child translates into safety, security, and lower anxiety levels. When a child knows what to expect, they spend less energy worrying or pushing boundaries and more energy into learning and thriving in the environment. Before we begin the show, we request you all to turn off your mobile phones or keep them on silent mode. Also, please do not come near the stage and take pictures or videos. Please understand that if your child spots you, they may not perform or may be distracted. And we certainly do not want that. We are taking care of photos and videos, and all that will be shared with you. So put your hands together for a show that will undoubtedly leave you spellbound. So what's the first performance for today? Our first performance this evening is something we all love, and India truly leads it, and that's yoga. Yoga is like music, the rhythm of the body, the melody of mind, and the harmony of the soul. Together they create the symphony of something called as life. This is how Guru Sri B.K. Iyengar described yoga. Yoga not only helps us align with the intrinsic rhythm of our body, mind and soul, but also tunes us to the rhythms of nature, such as circadian rhythm, seasonal rotations, and ultimately the cycle of birth and death that governs all living things. We are not separate from nature, but we are nature. Our young yoga practitioners will show us how yoga helps us to embrace these rhythms with more grace and ease. Please put your hands together for Rudra, Rupesh, Adya M. Kumar, and Charvik and Dayan Arya on the stage. Please welcome with an applause.
Ashtanga Namaskara, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Shashankasana, right leg forward, Ekapada Prasanasana, Padahastasana, Urdhvasana, Namaste. Get ready for Dhanurasana, Dhanurasana, relax, Shashanka, Namaskara, get into your position, Adya and Vrikshasana, Charvik and Chakrasana, Rhythm and Dayan and Setuvandasana. Relax, slowly, get back, Namaskara, thank you.
Next we have is something amazing. You'll be truly amazed what the next presentation is. Learning an instrument takes patience, courage, and a lot of love for music. And when such dedication begins at a very young age, it becomes truly special, isn't it? Sometimes the most beautiful music comes from the smallest hands. Our young Sanvi Dilip will now present violin recital. As she takes the stage, let us cheer her on with our warmest applause. Get ready.
गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೈಗಳು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಗು ಬಂದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನುಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದೇ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ? ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡೋಣ. I think the amount of, I think we are blessed to be listening to this little wonder amongst us. Ladies and gentlemen, before the curtain rises on the main event, we invite you to take a breath and allow the atmosphere of our story to wash over you. This introductory video is not merely a warm-up. It is the first ripple of the emotional journey you are about to take. Get ready, sit, buckle up. We are about to make a magic.
Every journey
Let's
begins
begin
with
the
a
show.
rhythm. Before our first breath, before our first cry, we all listen to the same song, the rhythm of comfort, the rhythm of life, the rhythm of a mother's heartbeat. Then a voice, a mother's voice, the first sound of love. A baby enters the world and suddenly sound becomes magic. A cry, a breath, a message to the world, I'm here. Warm arms, gentle lullabies, the soft rock of a cradle. Tiny eyes watching the world with wonder. That rhythm becomes laughter. Tiny feet running, tiny hands clapping, curious hearts exploring every sound. Home becomes our stage. The clinking of breakfast plates, doors opening to new possibilities. Then the world opens its arms, the rhythm of rain on rooftops, the song of birds at sunrise, the ocean dancing with the shore, thunder that shakes the sky, leaves that rustle their secrets. Nature sings, and we learn to listen. School bells ringing with dreams, the cheers of friends on playgrounds. As we grow, we hear the world, voices of new places, songs of many cultures, different dances, different languages, different traditions. Yet every rhythm beats with the same joy. Together we are a symphony, each one a unique note. But when we come together, we create one beautiful harmony. Today we celebrate that unity. Today we celebrate humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our annual day celebration. Welcome to Rhythms of the World.
Hey, what's that sound? It's your heartbeat, steady and strong. Your very first rhythm. It's been with you all along. Hey, hear that sound. Ooh, listen to this. Guys, come here. Can you all hear that? Rhythm, 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 rhythm. Rhythm and rhyme everywhere. In the sky, in the air, in our footsteps, in our song, beats and words that dance along. The wind in the trees goes whoosh and sway. The waves in the sea roll in and play. Listen, tip, 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 say the raindrops. Hey, look, muddy puddles. Let's jump and hop. The thunder roars, rumble and roar. The river rushes to kiss the shore. The birds all chirp, tweet, 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 tweet. The earth keeps singing beneath our feet. Tick tock, says the time, like a quiet little rhyme. Morning to night, it sings along with every heartbeat, step and song. Rhythmic beats are everywhere. It's in you, it's in me, it's even in the tallest tree. We hear the rhythm when we walk, we feel the beat when we talk. It's in our hands when we clap, it's in our bodies when we rock. So come on, what are we waiting for? Let's hear the rhythm and so much more. सुनने वाले सुन लेते हैं, कन कन में संगीत हो, धड़कन ताल है, सांस है सुर, जीवन है एक गीत। खुद बोल रहा है ताल का बर्तन, घी जो पड़ा तो भड़का, बोला भड़क कर तू 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 तड़ 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 तड़का। बरखा पानी छम 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 छम, बच्चे भागे छप 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 छप, नाली बोली घल 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 घल, नाले बोले भल 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 भल, टप टिप छम 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 छप 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 घल 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 घल। hear that song? Yes, rhythm has been here all along. In day and night, in work and play. In seasons and dreams, in every new day. But hey, when did we really start to pay attention? When did we start, you ask? Yes. Then let me tell you, it happened long ago. Long ago? Yes. This rhythm is ancient heartbeat of all. From Africa, when people first stood tall. They clapped and stomped, they sang and played, they danced in circles and laughed all day. They listened to the beat of the ground and made their own rhythm. A beautiful sound. They danced for the rain, they danced with the sun. They danced just for joy and for no reason. Just fun. That rhythm is so old and still here today in the way we all move, in the games we play.
Jumbo! That means hello in Africa. Come on, let's dance together. Hey, come on. We're jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. Hey, hello, 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 hello. Hey, clap your hands and shout hooray. We dance, we sing, we laugh all day. Jumbo, jumbo, dance along. Hello, Africa. Sing this song, shake your body, feel the beat. Move your hands and stomp your feet. Yeah. From Kenya to Ghana, we say hi, waving hands up to the sky. From Lagos streets to Cape Town Bay, children smile and shout ole. Tambourines and drums go boom, boom, boom. The rhythm fills the afternoon. Mama Africa, full of cheer, we sing Jambo loud and clear. Jumbo, 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 hey. Hello, 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 hey. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We dance, we sing, we laugh all day. Jumbo, jumbo, dance along. Hello, Africa, sing this song. Shake your body, feel the beat. Move your hands and stomp your feet. Say jumbo, jumbo. Say Africa, Africa. Say dance, 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 dance. Say yeah, 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 yeah. Let's spin around. 1, 2, 3. Raise your hands up, follow me. Hey. Jump like monkeys, stomp like elephants. We're a happy singing band. Coconut trees and colorful skies. Drums are beating, birds all fly. Rainbow beads and bright canteen. Music in our hearts today. Children laughing, voices ring. Every village loves to sing. Africa, home so bright. Let's dance together day and night. Hello, hello, hey. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We dance, we sing, we laugh all day. Jumbo, jumbo, dance along. Hello, Africa, sing this song. Shake your body, feel the beat. Move your hands and stomp your feet. Hey, jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. Hello, Africa. Hello, Africa. Yeah, jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. Hello, Africa. Hello, Africa. Yeah. We love you from me to ya. Say jumbo, 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 jumbo. Say jumbo, 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 jumbo. Say jumbo, jumbo. Say jumbo, 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 jumbo. Say jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. Hey, asante sana. Come on.
Oh, so where did the rhythm flow? To the land of colors long ago. The rivers sing and temples chime. Music is everywhere all the time. In India, the rhythms dance and play. The tabla talks in its own way. Ta din din da, ta din din da, ta din din da, ta din din da. The sitar strings will laugh and weep. The dancers dance fast and deep. Kathak spins with ankle bells. Each little gumru a story tells. In the south, the mridangam plays, keeping times in countless ways. From bhajans soft to temple drums, thousands of rhythms together hum. Ooh, the heartbeat here is so grand. The rhythm of India fills the land.
Dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na odani der der tani tana der na odani der der tani tana der na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na odani der der tani tana der na odani der der tani tana der na der din na odani derda dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na Pare re sa sa re ni sa sa re ni pa. Pare re sa sa re ni sa sa re ni pa. Ma re sa re ni sa re ma re sa re ni sa re sa sa.
Hey, did you see that? Yes! Do you know what that means? What? That rhythm is everywhere. Ooh, the rhythm never rests. From north to south, from east to west, from Africa's roots to China's drums, from India's sounds to wherever we come. Rhythm is life in every land. It lives in our hearts, our feet and hands. Wherever you go, whatever you do, the rhythm of the world beats inside you. Rhythm is everywhere. Can you hear? In faraway lands and places near. So stomp your feet and clap with cheer. The world is full of rhythm here. When we feel happy, sad or strong, rhythms helps us all belong. Close your eyes. Now clap with me. You will find the rhythm wild and free.
How life shows us different rhythm and how we can be one with them. A big round of applause to all our little ones who taught us something really beautiful today. That we belong to nature and there is rhythm in everything that we do. It's just the time that we just give our ears to listen to it.
Good evening, everybody. It's both an honor and privilege to stand before you this evening after a wonderful performance by our dear learners to express gratitude and love on behalf of the entire school community. As we come to the close of this annual day celebration, we would like to extend our thanks to everybody who made it possible. Performance of any kind requires a lot of thinking, planning before the actual execution. And for today's annual day program, first and foremost, we owe it all to Ms. Shweta Shashank of Arohi Collective, who is also the theatre facilitator of IRA Academy. She conceptualized the idea, wrote the script and executed it. Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am. A big thank you to our very own Soumya ma'am, the secretary of IRA Academy and the CEO of Prayag Montessori, who along with the principals, Lata ma'am and the elementary principal, supported her in making this happen. This event is a perfect example of what teamwork means. When we work together, there is nothing we cannot achieve. Let me begin with the ones behind all the dances you yourself saw. Miss Brinda Sunil Kumar and Miss Gayatri Shetty are dance facilitators. It's not easy to train these little ones, and no one else can do it better. Brinda ma'am, thank you. You have dealt with them so patiently. A big thank you to Ms. Vasudha Varadan, our yoga facilitator. Our learners displayed a stunning performance of balance and focus, which is a testament to your patient guidance and expertise. She's not here, right? Lighting and stage setting plays a key role in setting the tone and atmosphere for the event. We thank Mr. Joe and team from Kaizant Events for it. To IRA Sound team, Mr. Anand and Mr. Balaji, thank you for the flawless audio today. The costumes complement the theme and tone of the performance. A big thank you to our Soumya ma'am for putting her 100% into this. You will soon see the stunning photographs and breathtaking video of this program. And those watching and for those who are at home, thanks to Mr. Rajesh and team for that. Now to our IRA team members who took up different responsibilities to ensure this wonderful show. To our dear facilitators, Miss Anupama, Miss Saraswati, Miss Pavitra, Miss Shweta Vilash and Miss Ramya Satish. Thank you for your tireless efforts in coaching, guiding and nurturing our learners. Your commitment has made this event possible. You left no stone unturned, and your passion is evident in every performance and every aspect of the day. Thank you, dear facilitators. The team members responsible for the seamless integration of technology, enhancing the visual and immersive experience for the audience. Thanking IRA's technical team immensely, Mr. Balaji, Miss Ujjwala, Miss Roshni, and Mr. Anand. Thanking the art team, Mr. Deepak, Miss Sujala, and Miss Likita for their creative vision in giving a visual and creative impact to the event. And our CCA representatives, Mr. Vishal and Sir Prashant sir, for the coordination in ensuring the flawless execution of the entire program. To our admin team, Miss Anuradha, Miss Shruti, Miss Sumana, Miss Anusha and Miss Divya, who took all the responsibilities of communication and coordination with you parents. A big thank you. They are ably assisted by Miss Rupa, Miss Benita, Miss Neha, Mr. Balaji and Mr. Anand. Miss Rupa, a big thank you, who is the MC for today. Thank you, ma'am. Most of you have, I'm sure, had a taste of food from Ira's kitchen. Today, Mr. Khan and his team has fed our learners and us with his nutritious and yet yummy delights. Parents, you're yet to taste it now. Thank you, Khan sir and team. For all the smooth and safe execution of the transport arrangements, Mr. Balaji, Mr. Anand, Mr. Arun, and the team of driver runners of IRA and Prayag Montessori, a big thank you to you. Thanking the security personnel too for the coordination. all the akkas and annas of our school, led by Miss Padmavati and Miss Ashwini, and the team from Prayag Montessori, a special thanks for your unwavering support. You have been there at all times as support for our facilitators and taken such good care of our learners. No amount of words can express our gratitude for your dedication. A big round of applause to our dear learners. You have been the heart of this event. Whether it was through dance or narration, you have all worked so hard, giving your best and bringing out your individual and collective talents. The energy and enthusiasm you brought out on the stage has truly made this day unforgettable. We would also like to extend our sincere gratitude to all the parents and guardians of our dear learners whose constant support, encouragement, and involvement in our school activities are invaluable. Your collaboration with the school and your encouragement to the students have played an important role in making this event a success. Thank you so much, dear parents and grandparents, all those who are here. We truly appreciate this. All this would not have been possible without the continuous support and motivation our management gives us. Amita ma'am, who oversees every single aspect to the detail. Her vision, leadership, and continuous support make events like this not only possible but also successful. Thank you, ma'am. I shouldn't forget to mention Dakshayani ma'am, our chief mentor, with her vast years of experience, who guides us and whose words of encouragement undoubtedly inspires us. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am is not here today, but still we need to mention it. Thank you, ma'am. Vidya ma'am, our wellness coordinator, who keeps all of us calm and sane. Thank you, ma'am, for all that you do. When we plan an annual day, there's lots of ups and downs we go through. And it's in these kind of times that ma'am is actually there to help us stay balanced. Let us leave here today with a sense of pride and joy in our hearts, knowing that we have come together as a community to create something truly special. Once again, thank you all for being a part of our pre-primary annual day. Have a wonderful evening, everybody. So here's Team IRA Pre-Primary 25-26 for you. Can we give them a big round of applause? I request everyone to please stand for the national anthem.
I think the two people who need the biggest round of applause is our elementary principal Lata ma'am and main principal Lata ma'am and our elementary principal Jenny ma'am, who have constantly been watching and making sure that everything functions so well for them to put up the show. Also, you will notice a couple of M3 children here. They're all the way from Padmanabh Nagar. This is another annual day for Padmanabh Nagar, also at the same theme, so they were ready for that and they volunteered to come here. Thank you, Padmanabh Nagar Prayag Montessori team, for coming all the way here. And thank you, dear children. And they're all going to join us for grade 1. So they're all on their way to IRA, so we thought we'd just get them along faster. Thank you guys so much.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता